Oh, he's got it. What's going on now, everybody? Lightning Shocks here. Welcome back to another, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Responsible dog owner, whatever you want to call it. My cousin's here with me. Come here, Jack. We just need to try and stay in the image. Rex? No, Rex. Rex. Go on, Rex. Jack, leave it. You see, when you have a dog, when you have a dog, you always have to play with it. If you don't play with it, then it's not getting any exercise, really. So you guys, you have to play with your dog, is what I'm basically trying to say. Like me and my cousin are doing at the minute. That's what I get for challenging the dog. Anyway, you guys, let's crack on. Jack, bring Brax into image. You have to. He wants to eat water, you guys. My dog likes water. Johnny wants to. Get it. Come on, Brax, get it. Go on, get it. Get it, Brax. Come on, Brax, get it. Brax, what's this? Brax, come on. Get Brax. Come on, Brax. Braxy! Come on, Brax. Get it, Brax. Come on, Brax, get it. Shit, my iPad. Trying to make a new video. Anyway, you guys. Some of the recording I didn't work out and the camera was moving a lot. That has been the video. Hope you enjoyed. My iPad's very wet, so I'm going to just do it. I'm just going to go and wipe it now. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Peace out, everyone.